nothing happens except planning and pre-planning to get ready to move. That's what's happening. I think at least that's what I'm
See, I disagree with you. I mean, you keep planning for a while. The command and move team, you know, we did a good job, if y'all remember 6 months ago to get all this done. We had a team, we had this, we had that. No team, we still haven't done anything. I don't think it'll pass anything. Make the man bring the team to it.
But George, I don't think this costs us anything. However, if we don't pass this, say the team does come and we're not ready to move, we did agree contractually to pay damages if we're not holding the time. So we need to be prepared to move forward when they do sign. If they don't sign, this is a cost of money. But if they do sign, we need to be prepared to move forward to protect our interests.
Then tell the man to bring the team, they don't have to worry about cost anything.
When we first started this deal, we agreed to do those things. That's what we call an investment. And we're making an investment.
No cost, they just said it, no cost.
That's what it's all about.